Assalamu alaikum, this is Deanna with Lessons from the Gulf, and today I want to share a simple step-by-step way to teach Surah Al-Falaq so children can understand it more deeply. Many children memorize the surah quickly, but when we slow down and explore its meaning, children begin to appreciate how powerful and comforting it really is. The first step is helping children understand the overall message. Surah Al-Falaq teaches us that Allah is the one who we turn to for protection. Before explaining every detail, I like children to understand that main idea first. Next, we learn a few important words. For example, what does falaq mean? What does envy? What does protection mean? Even learning a few words helps children understand the surah much better. I like asking simple questions such as, whom do we ask to protect us in Surah Al-Falaq? Why is Allah the only one who can protect us? What are the 4 things we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect us from? These questions help children think about the meaning. When children open flaps, read mini books, answer questions, and interact with the surah, they tend to remember it much better. Hands-on learning gives children time to slow down and absorb what they are learning. This is one of the reasons why I created this lap book, to help guide children through Surah Al-Falaq step by step in a meaningful and engaging way. May Allah place barakah in our efforts and allow our children to grow deeply connected to His book. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.